Haha, this is Steve from Toronto. Today I got more games from King of the Hill at my house. And here we are Chainsaw Man versus Arifureta. The VODs are not in order, so the result of the games don't get spoiled. So Arifureta opened double salary key, don't get bombed. Okay, he just took a 4. And he just took 3 attacks, one of them being a 4. Okay, so the problem is he can't crash his memory target. That card is 2k. And then Chainsaw Man's board is really small. So T-Salvage key. I'll grab a spawner. The spawn's at level 0. I think he's gonna swing with the memory target anyways. I get bombed again. Okay, he can't combo, so he's gonna slam a bar and hope she cancels and then bounce the combo back. And no, she took 4 as well. Okay. Okay, she also took all 3 attacks, including a 4. Okay, play cigarette first. Hit 0. She's gonna grab the combo. Do recall digit bar. CX on top, probably wing sword. Salvage wing sword, and then hit. Okay, she's gonna grab early play heal. Cigarettes again, it's a 2. Now she's gonna grab the bomb, maybe. No, she's gonna play at level 1. Level 1 pluses, I guess. Okay, so she hasn't gonna play on hands, puts down a power. Okay, so she's not going to beat the memory target. Okay. So she's going to pay 1 ditch tap salvage to here. It's a +1. Inside the memory target, trigger bar. Triggers another bar. Then power 8 to level 0. I think power should have 8 to level 1. Her idea was right, like not reversing the memory target, but she ate the wrong card. So she could have kept the recall alive, which is only 1k, and then 8 the level 1, and the memory target wouldn't. Like the memory target can't crash. So I think she had the idea, but she missed the execution. Well, I will hit level 2. Okay, so you swing the memory target first. Unfortunately, she canceled the memory card and not the combo. So she took a 4 after. And she canceled a 5 on the new deck. So Arifureta gets 1 combo off. So on check 4 here. She drew a stock soul? I think she had stock soul from last turn. And just trigger 2 bars. Okay, I think she searched for cigarettes was not in deck. Probably triggered it. And top check fails. I feel I took a 3, yeah. And he's at 2-5 going clock. So he's basically level 3 on deck 1. And this is his 4th turn. It's actually pretty bad. Okay, he's gonna brainstorm here. Just check 3 out 1 brainstorm. Hit 1. I hit 2. Well, I think both of them got him a combo. He did the pay 2 ditch salvage 2 cards. 2 of the same cards. Okay, then check 4 on the first one. Wait, the second one canceled too. It's kinda hard to decide how many you want to mill. So you don't know if the third one will cancel or not. Okay, he's just going 4. I guess he milled 2 CX on the last one. So we're just milling. The last 4 stuck. So he has like a small deck left. Oh, Chainsaw Man is 2-6. You can level and combo if you want. Looks like she has no Aki in hand. She has the brainstorm can search her 2 higher. So you can get Aki if it's in deck. Okay, so she clocked a bar and she's gonna brainstorm her deck out. So now you can't send it to memory, yeah? Because it's tab. Like she's another wine hand. So I'm gonna search it like this. Brainstorm milled the Aki, yeah. Oh, but she checked 3 into Aki. But now she only has 4 stock, so she needs the ditch 2 gain 2 stock. I guess it's 9 waiting room. Okay, so she's gonna swing the Aki. The first one canceled. Okay, maybe she didn't know she had Arifureta has 1 left. Because you know at 1 left you Icy Tail for sure. Okay, so cigarette check twice, so mill 2 clean. And Icy Tail here, hit 1. 1 cancel. The swing cancels. I'm gonna check first. CS climax, Icy Tail hit 2. The last one's 1 for 4. So he took a ping 1 twice and then took a 4. Let's refresh. And yeah, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Any questions, suggestions, please leave a comment. Thank you.